Everybody on this planet should know the importance of species like bees. These little pollinating insects have changed very little since their first evolution 100 million years ago, and since then play a vitally important role to a healthy ecosystem. But there are also other species that are equally important to the well-being of a whole ecosystem and maybe even the whole planet. Here are 3 more species that are more important than you might think. Yes, you saw that right, bats. The animal that probably didn't have the best reputation in the last 2 or 3 years. But first off, bats are considered to be a good indicator for a healthy ecosystem. In some regions they play a vital role in insect regulation. Mosquitoes, moths and all kinds of other bugs are part of most bats' diets. This helps to keep insects away from crops like banana, mangoes, dates and depending on the area agave, which is used to make tequila. If that is important or not is for you to decide. But the fact is that bats' eating habits can be translated into massive savings in pesticides in these particular regions. Some bat species also play an important role in pollinating over 500 different plants. Most of the time, those plants have pale nocturnal flowers that are large and bell-shaped and hold nectar in the bottom of them. Some bats, like the banana bat or the tube-lipped nectar bat of Ecuador, have extraordinary long tongues for extracting some of the nectar and in exchange pollinate the plants. So all in all, and although bats are probably not most people's favorite animal, they are fascinating for sure and also play a very important role. Fungi appear in a lot of different shapes and sizes. Some will land on our plates as food and some are turned into medicine like penicillin. But most importantly, fungi are one of the major decomposers and recyclers in a huge variety of habitats and are therefore crucial for a well-balanced ecosystem. Some fungi species can even survive hostile environments like the cold tundra. A very simple explanation of a fungi's and also different bacteria's metabolic activity is that they turn rotting organic matter into different trace elements like nitrogen or phosphorus. Those trace elements are essential for growth and would otherwise be trapped in the rotting organic matter and could not be used. This procedure is called saprotrophism and is also accomplished by different bacteria. But fungi can become even more crucial. Many species are surprisingly good at dealing with heavy metals and can actually be used to extract metals from different properties like industrial fly ash. Now there might be a possibility to use 3 different types of fungi to recycle electrical waste like phone batteries and lithium batteries in general. These fungi are able to produce organic acid that can extract up to 85% of lithium and 48% of cobalt from the pulverized battery cathodes. If you want to learn more details about all that, feel free to check out the sources in the description box down below for more information. Now, going with the theme of recycling, another important member of ecosystems are ants, being responsible for moving and removing huge amounts of food resources from the habitat floor. A study by the University of Liverpool has found that ants are responsible for removing half of the waste in the rainforest of Malaysian Borneo, with the other half being removed by all other animals combined. The removed waste includes dead bodies, fruits and seeds, and without the ants taking care of it, the dead matter would stack up and decompose more slowly. As we mentioned before, the recycling of dead organic material is very important to an ecosystem because it facilitates nutrient redistribution for the whole habitat. And to close things out here, another interesting fact about ants. Their behavior and almost militarized colony and social structure is also an influence for the development of artificial intelligence. You might have heard the term ant colony optimization algorithm before, but I'm not going to get into this right now. I would much rather thank you for watching and ask you to leave a like, but only if you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next and subscribe so you won't miss any videos. But most importantly, have an absolutely fantastic rest of your day.